What makes Pam Pam is my family, my 3 children and my 7 grandchildren, my determination, my willingness to go above and beyond for my customers and my teammates. 24 years ago, someone told me that there was no place for women in the collision repair industry. So then I proceeded to open and operate my own body shop. And then I came here at Tipton Ford Lincoln. I would recommend employment at Tipton Ford Lincoln. Once again, going back to the family atmosphere that we have here, I know that a customer can come in, and because of all of the talented individuals that we have working here, we can rectify any situation for that customer.
Thank you for watching. You can view our previous videos by clicking in the bottom right, where we give out Tipton tips for vehicle maintenance and allow our viewers to get to know our team members. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and bell to stay notified for our next videos.